Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video for you. This is where we talk about hair, business, skincare, and everything in between. Forget hair loss and bald patches. Just 3 powerful ingredients and your hair will grow so fast. Have you ever wondered how the women of Chad managed to grow such long, thick, and healthy hair? The secret lies in an ancient hair care ingredient called shea powder. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can harness the power of shea powder to moisturize, prevent hair loss, and naturally boost your hair growth. Plus, I'll share a powerful DIY hair growth recipe that you can make right at home with 3 incredible ingredients, so keep watching. You don't want to miss this. Why is shea powder so beneficial? Here are some of the key benefits. Shea powder helps to maintain moisture in your hair. So that means it's very moisturizing. It helps to prevent dryness and breakage. This is especially important for natural hair, which tends to be drier. The powder strengthens hair strands, reducing hair loss and breakage. It also curbs thinning of the hair. This means thicker, healthier hair over time. By maintaining moisture and reducing breakage, shea powder supports healthy hair growth, which is perfect for retaining length. When your hair is well moisturized and less prone to breakage, you will retain more length and see your hair grow longer over time. Now that we have the benefits, let's move on to a fantastic hair growth recipe that includes shea powder along with other powerful herbs and oils. This oil will help to enhance the benefits of shea powder and give your hair the nourishment it needs. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of shea powder, 1/4 cup of castor oil, 1/4 cup of organic hemp seed oil, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, 1 tablespoon of amla powder, 10 drops of peppermint essential oils, and 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. You'll just follow these simple instructions. In a small saucepan, do the double boiler method. Combine the castor oil, hemp seed oil, and the olive oil in a glass container, which can take heat. Add the fenugreek powder and the amla powder to the oil mixture. Stir it very well and place the bowl container into the saucepan and let it heat up for about 10 to 20 minutes. This helps to infuse the oils with the herbs. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool slightly. Once the mixture is cooled down, add the peppermint essential oil along the rosemary essential oil. Stir it very well to ensure everything is well mixed. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the mixture into a clean glass jar or bottle. This removes the solid particles, leaving you with a smooth oil, because you do not really want the particles to remain in your hair, especially if you're going out to work or do whatever. However, if you're going to do protective styling, especially during the cold seasons, you can leave the particles in the oil and apply it to your hair and put on a cap. Label your jar and store it in a cool, dark place. Your shea hair growth oil is now ready to use. To use this amazing oil, follow these steps. You can use it on your scalp by parting your hair into sections and apply the oil directly to your scalp using your fingertips or the applicator bottle. You can also gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. That will help to stimulate blood flow and help the oil to penetrate your scalp. You can apply the remaining oil to the length of your hair, focusing on your ends. This helps with moisture retention and reduces breakage. You can leave the oil in your hair overnight, and the next day you can shampoo it out, followed by your conditioner. However, this oil, you can leave it in your hair until your wash day. So how often should you use this? For optimal results, use this oil about 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key to seeing improvement in moisture, hair growth, and length retention. And there you have it, a powerful hair growth oil that you can easily make at home. Remember, natural hair care is all about consistency and using the right products. So give this recipe a try and let me know how it works for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more natural hair care tips, because I do have a whole lot more hair care content coming your way. As always, stay beautiful and just keep loving your curls.